Hey guys, this particular video is regarding a query that I received on Facebook recently, and one of our followers, she had a question that she wants to reduce her belly flap. However, she feels that her entire body is just perfect, so she does not want to work out the other parts of the body, and she only wants to focus on her abdominals. Now, we generally receive these kind of questions pretty often, in our inbox, and every time I see a question like this, my reaction is, people, spot reduction is not possible. You have to work out your entire body, even if you want to focus or trim or reduce one part of your body. So for example, I have a problem with midsection, and I tend to accumulate weight around my midsection. Even if I do 1,000 crunches in a day, it's not going to help me. I have to work out the entire body, and plus I have to have a great combination of cardio training plus strength training in my routine to help me achieve my desired results. Another thing that I need to focus upon is to reduce that belly flap. I need to focus more on my nutrition rather than my training. So we all understand that when it comes to having a flat belly, it's got more to do with nutrition. So it's like 70% of nutrition and 30% of your training, or maybe 80% of your nutrition and 20% of your training. So you have to be extremely conscious about what goes into your tummy. So maybe you might have to tweak a little bit with your macros. You might want to reduce your carbohydrates a little bit and increase your protein intake. As far as we know, our bodies is getting the right nutrient and all the essential nutrients through our food. So my advice here for this kind of query is that please understand that spot reduction is not possible. You have to work out your entire body, even if you want to reduce that particular body part. Thank you.